meron dito, I'm so attracted to you, no? So, for some of you, no, fire signs, no, ito ang sinasabi ng inyong person, no, I'm so attracted to you. So, he or she is very much attracted, no, literally sa inyo, right? No? So, gustong-gusto kayo ng tao na ito, right? No? So, kayo lang din nakakalam sino to. I know may idea na rin kayo, no? I don't know if may relationship na kayo nitong tao na to, no? But then, kasi naiisip niyo ito, no? So, ano ba tong isang card pa? But then, no, we need to let each other go, no? So, maybe for some of you, this person who is so much attracted pa rin sa inyo is meron ng separation na nangyari dito, no? Kasi with this card, we need to let each other go, no? So, parang sinasabi rito na kailangan talaga yung magkalayo for some reason, no? Hindi talaga kayo, parang sinasabi is you're not meant to be each other, no? So, but then he or she is still attracted to you, no? Fire signs, no? So, take what's resonate, no? Vice versa tayo rito. Pwedeng ikaw din nagsasabi nito sa person mo or yung person mo ang nagsasabi nito, no? Vice versa, no? Kung kanino lang makaka-resonate. So, yeah, ito yung sinasabi ng inyong person or ikaw sa person mo, no? Fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sag, no? So, I'm so attracted to you, but then we need to let each other go, no? So accepted naman nitong person na to na hindi talaga kayo para sa isa't isa, no? So, meron talagang, kailangan talaga nyong pakawala ng isa't isa, no? That's why, no? So, yeah, but then, attracted pa din siya sa iyo. So, ayun ang message ng inyong person, right? No? So, let's see anong message naman ng inyong inner self fire sign. So, kuha tayo ng 2 cards again. So, tignan natin anong message ng inyong inner self, no? Mga fire signs natin dyan. So, parehas kayo ni air signs din kanina, no? So, you have this silent, no? For some of you, sinasabi rin dito to keep silent, no? Sabi ng inner self nyo, no? You have this key and the door, no? If you see this one, no? Anytime you can open the door, no? But please be silent. Huwag mo munang pagsasabi. Maybe this is your plans in life, no? Your goals, kung whatever it is, may bubuksan ka bang business,